Hi, everyone. I am Alice Henson. I am a third grade teacher at Timber Lakes Elementary. So, have you been kind of feeling like your math lessons are kind of boring, kind of flat? You want to gain the kids' attention. You want to involve them a little bit more. Well, here's what you can do. You can actually use STMath within your lessons. Yes, we can pull these games into our lessons. The kids are absolutely loving it. So not only is it geared for the students, but we, the teachers, can also pull in those games, those problem-solving skills within our lessons. So I am here to introduce to you STMath and utilizing them within your lessons. So today's Tech Tip Tuesday is about introducing STMath within your lessons. Hi, everyone. Miss Henson here. I just wanted to kind of share something that I came across as I was exploring STMath. So STMath, we think, okay, it's just mainly for the students. And what I came to find was that I could actually use it within the classroom to help with some of my lessons. And the kids seem to really enjoy it. So what we do is we come to the carpet and we pull up, so I can pull up some of the lessons and look through the objectives for third grade. And then so here are some of the objectives. And if I want to just pull this in, just to kind of help with some of my lessons. So right now we're learning about area, so I can click multiplication in area because we're learning multiplication length times width equals the area. Or there's another one that goes over area and perimeter. So for now, I'm just going to click on area, multiplication in area. And then as I said, I just kind of display this to the kids. We click on games, and then we can do the grid. We could calculate the area of rectangles using a formula. And I'm going to click on this first one because that's exactly what we're doing. So we're going to go to level 1. And the kids really love it when I mess up and they can correct me. All right. So we're finding the area of 8. So we can take and drop our square. And as you can see, there's no words, there's no directions. This is just pretty much mental problem solving. So we can do any combination that would give us a product of 8. So we can do 2 and 4 and click the green button, and we're correct. And then we kind of demonstrate as a whole group together, and again we put our tile there, and then we think of the two factors that we can multiply together to give us the product of 9. So 3 times 3 is 9, and we click the green button. And we're correct. And of course the kids love the ding. They know that that means we got it correct. So we do a couple problems together, and then eventually I kind of let the kids lead it and help Miss Henson to figure out what the two factors are that would give us a product of 12. So not only is STMath just generated for the kids to use, but we can also incorporate this into our lessons. So I just thought I'd share that with you today. And meet us back here next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.